A smart wireless remote control on bicycle handlebar that you can choose left, right turning, emergency flashing, dual-side ground warning line on the ground to alarm the cars or pedestrians to keep a safe distance from you. Such a cool and smart bike tail light will help you catch more attention at night to keep you safe. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ground line alert. After press the ground line button on the remote control, the two wings of the bike taillight will project two ground warning lines, which will alert other vehicles and pedestrians to expand your safe riding range. Number 2. IPX4 Waterproof. Made of a waterproof plastic casing, it can effectively protect this product from rain damage. Note, it may not be suitable for use in heavy rain. Please plug the USB cover if used in the rain. Number 3. USB rechargeable. No more hassle of changing batteries. Just connect the rear light to your power bank, car charger, or AC outlet adapter for a quick charge. Please use the original USB cable to fully charge it before using it for the first time. Number 4. Ultra Bright LED Bike Tail Light. MILAN X5 Bike Tail Light has 30 high-end LED lights and a brightness up to 85 lm. It's bright enough to be seen from 150 feet away on foggy, rainy day or even on dark night. Number 5. Wireless remote control. Installed it on the handlebar. Easy to switch the lighting modes of the bike rear light by press the 4 buttons on the controller. Total 6 lighting modes: steady with full brightness, fast flash, flowing light, turn left, turn right, ground line. Number 6. Auto brake light and ground warning line. The light will highlight to remind the cars and pedestrians behind you when braking. Unique ground warning lane warns any possible incoming vehicle, providing riders with their own virtual lanes to further increasing visibility. Number 7. USB rechargeable. Built-in a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. Keep running for 5 to 8 hours under the flashing light mode after fully charged. The remote controller equipped with a CR2032 replaceable coin cell battery, and it can keep working for 12 months. Number 8. Buy with confidence. We accept returns within 30 days without any reason and offer the replacement of products or accessories within 1 year. Please feel free to contact us if you have any problems. We will do our best to help you. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.